How old you is?
12.
Boy, this boy 12.
What? Let me hear that again.
How old you is?
12.
Boy, this boy 12.
That lying.
12? That brother looked like he...
27.
I said...
27.
How old?
How old you is? Boy, this boy 12.
Now, I want you to understand, this young man by the name of Jeremiah Johnson is 12 years old and has officially won the 12U MVP honors at the Youth National Championships in Miami.
See, I knew some 12-year-olds who had mustaches, some who had full beards. They was all Arab, okay? Some were a little bit Hispanic. But one way or another, this a brother. Full mustache. He looked like he did my taxes last year. He's the Derrick Henry of 12-year-olds and under. You can't convince me this ain't somebody in their mid-40s who does semi-pro during the spring, posing as a 12-year-old. How is this allowed? Who? You know. Who 12 not only got a mustache, but a tattoo as well. A tattoo at 12. Make it make sense. You mean to tell me he wasn't on the 2001 Miami Hurricanes?
No!
So he wasn't on the 85 Bears?
No!
The 1997 Denver Broncos?
No!
That's a grown man.
No!
He's just a little boy.
I bet he's never participating in any child activity in his life. You ask him what's Pokemon, he don't know what that is. Yu-Gi-Oh, forget about that. That's a grown man right there. He understands, an HSA, an FSA. He understands the 1040. I bet you this brother got a tax return from last year. Who needs working papers? That man's a tenured employee. He can be a janitor in somebody's building right now. Forget a janitor, he's a professional. That brother is an investment banker. Okay, you walk up in Chase, you walk into TD, Bank of America, you probably see him on the front of the line. He's an executive client. He's in the booth. If he walks into any church in America, he might walk in wanting to be a part of the youth ministries, only to find out he leading the service on a Sunday. That's a grown man. He built like Bobby Lashley if he didn't have alopecia. If I'm a parent who got a child inside of this league, I'm withdrawing my child expeditiously because they leaving with CTE at a young age. How you got CTE? You not in high school yet. Because of this brother right here. He look like he do bicep curls with Batista, bench press with Brock Lesnar, jump box jumps with Ja Morant, and run goddamn miles with Tariq Hill. I gotta go to school. I'm taking social studies, I'm taking math, English. I also got a little bit of music here and there, phys ed. I gotta do science. I gotta prepare for the state exam. And then, on the weekend, I gotta get ran over by this grown-ass man-child. If he shows up at your front door, your daughter talking about, he's taking me to prom, you can't tell me you're not dialing for the police.
Police! Help! Help! Police!
We are the police.
We are the police!
The police of Haiti.
The police of Haiti!
I want you to etch the name Jeremiah Johnson into your minds, your brain for the remainder of your days, okay? Because I promise you, this dude gotta be already heavily recruited. 5-star recruit. He's not even in high school yet. I promise you right now, this man got an offer from Alabama right now. You can't tell me they don't got this man on the draft board right now. Mel Kiper is damn near foaming at the mouth, ready to talk about this brother. I'm telling you right now, he a future first overall pick. Well, maybe he's only dominated because he's the biggest kid. Nah, this kid got some talent, and I promise you he's a leader on the field, because you can't convince me during the pandemic when he was allegedly 10 years old in 2020 that he wasn't collecting unemployment. He probably got a PPP loan in his goddamn bank account. All I'm saying is, if you see this brother go join Deion Sanders at Colorado in 2028, just know you heard it here first. Jeremiah Johnson headed straight to the Heisman Trophy, and you can't convince me otherwise. That's a big-ass kid. That's a big-ass kid.
Look at the size of him. He's a monster.
He's gonna score! My God!
In conclusion, I got a better chance tackling Miles Sanders, Marlon Mack, Najee Harris, maybe not Najee Harris, but I got a better chance tackling somebody in the NFL than tackling this 12-year-old boy. Jeremiah Johnson hits you so hard, it feels like when he lowers the shoulder that you got hit. Perhaps it feels like you got shot on the football field. When he running towards you, you panic, you freeze, because it feels like...
What the fuck are we gonna do now? What the fuck are we gonna do now? Huh? Oh shit!